Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Maths class of Grade 7 of Basava Residential Girls School. I am Yashasvi, your Maths teacher. Students, let's start a new chapter. Chapter number 11, Perimeter and Area. You have already learnt about these concepts in your grade 6. So the perimeter is the measurement of the outer boundaries, whereas the area, we all know, this inside part of any closed figure is the area. So this figure represents area and this figure represents the perimeter. This is the only difference. And we have also learnt about the various formulae regarding the perimeter and area. So let us move on in depth about these concepts. Let me draw a rectangle in which opposite sides are equal. Here there are two L's, which means two lengths, and two B's, that is two breadths. So this is L and this is B. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So now what is the area? So we need to simply just multiply the length as well as the breadth. So L into B is the area of the rectangle. So coming to the square, wherein all the sides are equal. Let us name each side of this square as L. So it has 4 sides. So the perimeter will be 4, that is sides, into L, which is the length of each side, which can also be written as 4L. Now coming to the area of a square, we have to simply multiply the sides, which means side into side. So these are the basic formulae you need to remember, which will enable you to solve the problems easily. Let us solve few problems relating to the formulae which we studied just now. A door frame of dimensions 3 meter into 2 meter is fixed on the wall of dimension 10 meter into 10 meter. Find the total labor charges for painting the wall if the labor charges for painting 1 meter square of the wall is rupees 2.50. Let me explain. There is a door frame which is shown here. The dimensions are 3 meter into 2 meter. This is the length and this is the breadth. It is fixed on a wall. It is fixed on a wall. This is the door and this is the wall. So the dimensions of the wall is 10 meter into 10 meter. So we need to find out the labor charges for painting the wall, this full wall. If the labor charges is rupees 2.50 for 1 meter square is the question. So to find out the labor charges, let us first exclude the area of the door. So to calculate the area of the door, I start writing area of the door is equal to length into breadth. So we have 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Since it is area, we need to square up the product. So it is 6 meter square is the area of the door. So now we need to find out the area of wall including the door. So we need to apply this formula, side into side which is equal to 10 into 10 meter. So since it is area, we need to square up the value here. So 10 into 10, 100 meter square. So this is the area of the wall including the door. So let us now subtract area of wall excluding, which means removing. Okay, the area of the door will be 100. This is the area of the wall minus 6 meter square, because both are also areas. So I have put the bracket. And now let us subtract. So 100 minus 6 is 94 meter square. So this is the area of the wall excluding the door. So now we have got the area which needs to be painted. So now total labor charges for painting the wall will be rupees 2.50 multiplied by 94. Let us multiply in the rough column here. That is 250 multiplied by 94. Until we do the multiplication, let us exclude this decimal point. Later on, we can just calculate the places and then put a decimal value. So now we have 4 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 2 carry. Now 4 twos are 8 plus 2, 10. And 0 again, and 9 zeros are 0, 9 fives are 45, 4 being the carry, 9 twos are 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. So now let us add 0, 0, 5, 2 plus 1, 3 and 2. So we had the decimal point after 2 digits. So 1, 2 and here. So it is rupees 235. It is the labor charges to be paid for painting the wall. Thank you, students. Let us continue in the next class.